Today we are at the Pittsburgh Airport Marriott Hotel. And we are about to show you what this hotel looks like, including our room. All of that and more
After this.
Hello, fellow travelers.
Hello.
It's Neil here.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is To Travel and Tour.
We have room number 811 or 811. And right here at the door there is something I would like to point out. As you can see, other than the door handle, there is right here this little button. And it says there, audio visual door alert for the hearing impaired. So if you have trouble hearing, there is a little bit of help here for you. Okay, Kimberly, do the honors.
Now, this hotel was completely refurbished about a year ago. So it is in beautiful repair, as you'll see when you look around the room.
As soon as you get in to your right, there is some sort of a vestibule, I would say. And at the bottom here, you can see something that appears to be a trunk, but it's not. This is not a lid, actually. It's a big, very big drawer. Two compartments inside the drawer, so it gives you some storage. There's hangers here, hang up coats or jackets. Handheld steamer available to you. And on the other side of that you will find your sink. So mind you, the sink itself is not separated from the rest of the room by a door. Underneath the sink you will see some towels. And right there in this little bag, I would assume that is the hair dryer. There it is. There is the hair dryer. Oh, has a foldable handle.
Yeah.
Little garbage can, you may already have seen that. There is some space to the left of the sink to hang up your washcloth or your hand towels. And the sink of course comes with your customary items such as tissues in the corner, you got some soap, there's body lotion there, some cups. And I would also like to point out that the light around the mirror is the light you will be using in this area. Right here around the sink there is no other light, the switch for which can be found over here on the right hand side. There are some outlets right here as you can see, so if you need something for like a shaving device or whatever, you can certainly use one of these outlets. Now the actual bathroom area does come with a door, as you can see, so you can just shut that part and thus separate it from the rest of the sink area. There is your toilet, and here is a very nice shower cabin. Now you will notice that this door here, the sliding door, doesn't come with too awful big of a step to get in, so no need to climb over the edge of a tub of sorts. Very easy to get in, and there is, as a matter of fact, two shower heads. So one is right there mounted against the wall, and the other one is a handheld right over here. On the other side of the shower cabin you will find your shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, that's all available to you. Let's have a look at the rest of the room. No lack of mirrors. Here is a rather large mirror right in front of the door over here. Here's Kimberly's favorite part, door to another room.
I don't like that.
And except for Kimberly over there in the corner, this is the view you would have as you come in. Well, and except some of our stuff that you may see sitting around.
Yeah, you don't get that.
No, that doesn't come with the room.
You don't get Neil's crappy suitcase.
No, and you don't get the To Travel and Tour backpack either.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look here. So we get a very nice bed over here. This was king size, right?
Yes.
Yeah, king size bed. As you can see, it does come with plenty of light on both sides. And if we are looking at the bedside, then you will find here your customary phone. There are outlets over here, as you can see. And between the conventional outlets, you will see a couple of USB ports, which is very convenient for charging your electronics. This light here is operated with the switch right above it. Look, there you go. And should you need an extra outlet or two, those are available right here in the corner next to your nightstand. If we look at the other side of the bed, that is where you will find your alarm. Other than that, it's quite similar. So you have your outlets, your USB ports over here, as well as the switch for the light above. Now then, this big light over there, you may wonder at first, where the heck do you find the switch for that? Well, you may already see it, but right there on the side, it's sticking out just a little bit. That is where you find the switch for this light. And as is the case on the other side of the bed, there is an extra outlet for you. And right next door is your thermostat.
Now I do want to point out that this sofa is actually, when you remove these pillows, a fold-out bed. So there's a possibility to sleep even more in this room.
Little table for you if you just want to hang out on your sofa and want to watch TV or
I
something.
have some room service.
Or room service, yes, that's another option, of course. Even more outlets are available right over here in the corner. An extra garbage can over there. And then, of course, there is the desk area with a very nice sized TV. It does come with a box of coffee and tea. There you go. Along, of course, with sugar and some creamer. Yep. Little coffee maker on the side.
Oh.
More outlets over here. As well as the switch for the light around the TV.
I also want to point something out. Okay, you have your remote. But when we came in and the TV was on, they had a QR code that you could scan with your phone in order to be able to use your phone to use the TV as your remote.
Wow.
So that's a little piece of technology. So if you don't want to try to keep, if you're a person likes to watch TV in bed, then and have your phone, because you know we have to watch the TV and play on the phone. You can turn off the TV then with your phone, and you don't have to have the extra remote.
If we continue to look around the desk area, there is your ice bucket placed right underneath, as well as a few extra cups for you. This here looks like another cupboard to me.
It's
oh,
a
actually, it is your
refrigerator.
little fridge.
Yep.
There you go. Does it work? It is cool. I wouldn't say it's freezing, but it is cool. So it will keep your soda warm or other beverages you may
Not
have.
warm.
Or
Cold.
warm. Yeah, that would be cold. Yeah. Well, if it doesn't cool too much, I suppose then it would be warm.
Yeah, then we can keep them warm.
Anyways, and right underneath the ice bucket, you will find yet an extra place for storage in the form of this drawer. As your chair over here for the desk. You have an extra light sitting at your desk as well, which the switch for which can be found right here. There you go. All you need is just tap it and it will come on. So this room is on the 8th floor, which does make for a nice view, no doubt. Well, then again, it's just a parking lot, but you do have a view from above here. So there you have it. That is the room tour of the room we have here at the Pittsburgh Airport Marriott Hotel. Until next time, this is Neil.
And I'm Kimberly.
And this is
To Travel and Tour.